S&P, we actually had quite a green open today. That's a little bit more movement than we usually see on a Sunday. So we opened up, we did come down a little bit and push right back up. Let's get it here on the 15-minute. So there's your opening. Technically, we gapped down a tiny little bit, sold off, got your mother, and then turned that thing around, right, all inside 15 minutes. I would say that was probably. I spent a lot of time this weekend. Honestly, Friday night, I was kind of bearish, and my mindset was, what kind of puts do I want to grab? Do I want to grab some November puts or not? I'm thinking some October fun, some October volatility, and I don't want to just give. I want to give myself enough time, which is why I was thinking maybe some November puts. But right now, I don't know if I actually will buy any puts. Maybe some day trades, maybe from one day to the next kind of thing. In that case, I'll probably just go Friday's expiration. But with China just turning on the printers and saying, let's go buy everything you want. I mean, they're telling companies, lower your rates right now. Like, we got you. You just do it. Like that's like the higher ups telling the managers, give everybody a raise. I don't want to hear your opinion. Like, first of all, it never happens. But imagine if it did, you'd probably be pretty excited. Tomorrow's the mortgage trade day. Oh, make sure you tag me in the chat on that one because I'm doing it this time. Japan hit market on Friday. Today it's up. ES getting bids. It is right now. Yeah, we are going for it. I guess we're on the Tokyo market right now, which is about all of 12 people. If anyone that does follow, maybe Forex is a little bit different. That's a joke. But the Tokyo market right now is liquidity reasons next to none. But I gotta say, for an open, a Sunday open. Now, if you're watching on YouTube, you're probably thinking, why did I do this? On TikTok, all they can see is this candle right here. There's your open. Just sending it. I think you're doing good. All right, S&P's expected move. Let me pull that up real quick. I will adjust the lines for everyone that has my charts later. So let me just turn and burn through this right now. IWM 604, QQQ 1057, SPY 981, Tesla 1926. We're going to come back to that one. Meta 1789, Microsoft 991, Nvidia $6.49. Amazon 556, not 223. Apple 573, Google 451, Ford's got 41 cents, Palantir $1.74, hopefully to the downside so I can buy some more. Intel $1.44, AMD 771. If you guys do have my charts, I will update those lines right here. That's what these lines are. I'll just do that off the screen. Tesla's $19. Tesla has deliveries this week. So we're getting ahead of ourselves. Let's just let's jump ahead to the NASDAQ real quick. NASDAQ absolutely, ultimately, let me break this down because someone on the talk probably, I think he got banned, in case he's still here. Yes, that zone absolutely did mean something. He said that zone meant absolutely nothing. Like, you can say whatever you want, but here's your buyers, here's your sellers, and we kind of just keep doing it. We kind of slipped right through it, but it is important, guys. If you're ever watching, I will make fun of you. If you try to make fun of my strategy, but you don't understand it, just know that I'm going to have a lot easier time making fun of you, and I'm going to enjoy it. But anyway, these zones, the colors do have a meaning. So let me get to that meaning right here. 4-hour time frame. This is what I'm watching. Okay, so that's the candle close. Wicks are a sign of rejection, right? So ultimately, these zones held. As soon as we blasted right through that, now we're playing the ping pong game. So again, it's not just the level, but it's also how we get there. Right now, I gotta say, I bet we break this one up this week. I bet the NASDAQ does see all-time highs this week. I don't know if that's necessarily sticking my neck out. I've seen some traders like, you know what? SPY's at 571. Like, no, I'm sticking my neck out. I'm putting my neck on the line for you guys. I'm calling SPY to 574. Like, what? In the next 15 minutes? Like, that's their weekly call out. Like, oh boy, you're brilliant. I don't listen to this Don Fron talking right now. I listen to the real Don Fron. He makes way better gains. The number of Don Frons on TikTok now, absolutely hilarious. Guys, hopefully you can figure out which one's the real me. The fake ones probably won't make fun of you the way I will, but they will take your money. Okay, it's a very Huge difference. Now, the fake me does post some serious gains. He posts 90K a day. Whew. That's my PR. I've done that once. This guy does it every day. Just saying. You might be someone to check out. Can I check KWEB? Norbert? I will. Just give me a second. Let me get this finished up. Hughes will go over that. That's going to be to the upside. He's a liar. I don't know. I believe him. He doesn't talk to me, though. Let's see. The Russell, I'd have to be bullish, I guess. But if financials can turn this ship around and go, that might just be a bull flag playing out. So if I'm gonna be in the Russell, I would keep an eye out on the financials or just financials in general. Watch right there. If we can just get above that, and it does look like we're about to, you can draw some trend lines. I could sell you a position as to why we're probably going to break that up. But I do think that's probably where we're headed. Get on this level. I'm trying.